don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan and QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amafenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Al Hilal 2. I'm joined by Sizwe.
Stivo,
Fede.
happy Friday, Steve.
Thank you, Jayam.
Yazi Steve Thomas mega njani jabulele. Singamapagani asijabulele.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Steve ankomningi ne. Kine word of the night nje.
It's
Steve, not all your friends are your friends, Steve.
Ganjani.
On 18th ka February.
Sure.
Asidingi support yamakhosi ukuze sishaye iSundowns.
Yeah.
Bangamaphicophico.
Sure.
Into zabo masibambela kanje ba favor iSundowns.
Yeah.
Masihlala neSundowns ba favor thina. So support abasidingi. Sizoyimela nje singamabhakane.
Yeah, sure.
Ngiyabonga Steve.
Man of the match.
Man of the match Steve ngasho ukuthi ulomfana uSibi.
Usibi.
Yeah, uSibi.
Yeah. I thank you, man.
Yabo.
Awubonise le board lakho lapha, awubonise le board la. We are not jealous. Play your CAF.
Tina, we are still celebrating Nedbank, Kalim Blake label
And MTNA.
and MTN 8.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. And my grandfather, may his soul continue to rest in peace, my grandfather. He was a big fan of Al Hilal.
Amangathi angishaya.
Ndikushaya. Ngishaya. Yabo.